Create defined zones in open spaces. Small living spaces often come with open floor plans, but that doesn't mean the areas should blend together. To maximize the functionality of your home, it's essential to create distinct zones for different activities such as sleeping, working, and relaxing. These defined areas not only make the space feel more organized, but also help you make the most out of every square foot. Start by using rugs, furniture placement, or even paint colors to establish different sections in your space. For example, a rug under your sofa can clearly define the living room area, while a different rug or mat in the sleeping zone helps separate the bedroom space. The visual separation created by different textures or colors helps your mind associate each area with its intended purpose. Room dividers are another effective way to create zones within an open space. Foldable screens, for instance, are easy to move and can offer flexible boundaries when needed. Bookshelves are particularly handy as they serve a dual purpose, acting as a room divider while providing extra storage. In a studio apartment, for instance, you can use a bookshelf to separate your bedroom from the living room, offering privacy while keeping the space functional. Curtains are a softer alternative, offering a sense of division without taking up much room. Furniture placement is also key. By strategically placing furniture, you can naturally guide the flow of the room. For example, placing a desk in a corner away from the main living area can create a mini office zone. A small armchair and floor lamp in another corner might define a cozy reading nook. Creating these zones allows each part of the room to have a clear purpose, preventing the space from feeling chaotic or overwhelming. This approach not only adds structure, but also helps make a small space feel larger and more manageable. How will you create separation in your open-plan home?